I'm Brian Benson. I am a drone pilot, freelance for the most part. I'm lucky to have made a living doing it. I really enjoyed flying the actual drone, and I think that you'll find it a lot easier and a lot less intimidating than it appears to be. I figured there was job sites for drone pilots, so I just started applying, and there's a lot of companies that pop up. There are some that have consistently fed me work, and it's been real estate shoots, mapping, so taking pictures of a set area and then they stitch them together to make an orthomosaic picture. A little bit of search and rescue, and then some commercial work. Also, after hurricanes, you can be dispatched to areas. You go through and do roof inspections with your thermal imaging, and they paid well on my first drone. I got a really good deal. And then after I did some work with that and was able to invest into another one, which has allowed me to expand my portfolio. And I'm stepping up every time I get an opportunity. As far as investment and return goes, it's very little investment for very good return.